Forgot to defrost your chicken? No worries. I got a trick. Sheet pan, parchment, rack. That is a brick! Bake at 350 for 10 minutes and then separate the chicken. Season it and bake it again until it registers 160 degrees. Perfect. It's gonna keep cooking even though it's out of the oven, and it's gonna get you to 165. You're welcome.